Tiger maple stocks.
Jeez. What year is this?
1860. The last patent I can find is 1873.
Well, that's really neat. Look at the barrel.
Look at that
thing.
thing. Look at it. It's reached right here like a cannon. Just like a cannon.
Oh, look at that. You put it in there?
Yeah.
There's a bullet.
4570.
4570.
It's an elephant gun.
That motherfucker.
Boom.
Yeah.
How about that? Don't shoot it. I'm going to walk in front of it and get a picture of the front.
Isn't that beautiful?
Boy, oh boy. Is it heavy, Mark?
Hey,
it is heavy.
That's
a hollow point.
Smokes.
When you shoot it, you can hear the whistle.
That's something special there.
And that, look at the tiger. Look at the tiger stripes on that.
Yeah.
Tiger maple stocks.
Tiger maple stocks. Look at that.
Who's built this?
Winchester, right?
Is it? Oh, it's got a thing in
It's
the
a
back.
Remington
Oh,
Rolling
Remington. I'm
Block.
sorry. Rolling block. Remington
What goes
Rolling
in
Block.
there?
Remington Rolling
Oh,
Block.
cleaning.
This is where you keep the ball and powder.
Hey.
No, not ball and powder. Probably.
God
You
damn,
guys
that
are
hurt.
crazy.
That's where the cleaning kit goes.
Yeah,
cleaning
probably
kit.
so. Yeah.
Cleaning kit. Let's leave it at that.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
That is
That
really.
is pretty cool. That's super cool.
How
buddy.
much is it? That's what the. That's
I
the question.
want 2,500, but
I'm sure.
I have been offered.
I'll give you
I've
800.
had estimates, appraisals from gun shops where they want to steal it from 1,200 to 2,200 from a gun shop. I would love to take it to Antique Roadshow.
Oh,
That's
there
where
you
you
go.
get a